For today's activity, we need a paper, we need a pencil, an eraser. If something goes wrong, we have to erase, and a marker to trace the drawing. So let's start. Here I am using an A4 size paper. As you know, this is we called horizontal and this is what we called vertical. So I am using for today's drawing my paper vertical. So on the vertical paper I am drawing some rocks first. So let's go slow with the lines. I am drawing with pencil, maybe you are not able to see. So let me use marker. But I will suggest that you will draw with the pencil first, so that if there is any mistake you can erase and fix it and then trace it with marker. So I am going on the vertical paper with some lines. These are the curved lines and now they are creating a form of stones. And this side I am adding the water is flowing down, and then again this side we will draw some rocks. There are no rules for the line, just let it go to create a form of stone. So just add some lines like the water is flowing down, and as you know the force of water, it's very hard, it creates foam. So just complete with the tiny details and your waterfall drawing is ready. So you are going to do with the pencil first and then you will just trace it with the marker.